1996 Chevrolet Caprice 9C1 old police vehicle. Let's open the hood real quick. The head's very clean. Bolts, looks like it recently got some work done on there. Brand new spark plugs, brand new opti spark. ECU still there, intact. 5.7 LT1, I can mention. It looks like they are aluminum heads. I could be wrong, gotta check them out first. So this vehicle still has a lot of potential. Clean passenger side. I can't even find a dent. Yeah, let's check out the interior. Got a couple of decent, lower dash is gone. The cluster is there. Somebody removed the clear lens. Door panels are not the best, but check out the headliner. All right, now, any headlight switches, any climate control, if you need it, let me know. Might post the cluster. A couple of other things for sale. Old 9C1 old police vehicle here at the Junkyard. Let's look at the tag. There it is, 9C1. A couple of good things still left on it. Assuming it had a posse diff, completely gone. Check out those Magnaflows. And yeah, man, I'm gonna check it out, see what I can grab. Quick video here at the Junkyard today. Pick and pull. Nice car. Catch you guys on the next video.